In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Mic on Ableton. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up a microphone on Ableton Live. So first of all, you need to do the hardware setup. I'm going to assume that you have already connected your microphone to your PC or laptop, but if you haven't, connect your microphone. So you will need to use an audio interface if your microphone is connected through an XLR cable, or if you have a USB microphone, then it's going to be much simpler. Plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PC or laptop. Once you have your microphone connected to your PC running the Ableton software, then what you have to do is go into the preferences under the audio category. You will find various different audio devices option, and the one that you are looking for is audio input. So this is how audio is going to enter your PC into the recording software, in this case, Ableton. So now choose the option here and select your microphone from the drop-down list. If you have multiple input devices connected, so multiple microphones, you will have to choose between them here. If your device has an integrated microphone, such as a laptop, then make sure that you don't select that one. It might be selected by default, or it might be at the top. It's always recommended to use an external microphone dedicated for this purpose. So choose it from the list. Once you choose your microphone, you will be able to add a new track. And once you have a new audio track selected, you can start recording here. So it is simple to do, and it should be picked up within Ableton. If it doesn't work, check the connection and make sure that you selected it for the audio input device on the audio preferences. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on using your microphone on Ableton, please give it a like and subscribe. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.